New hopes.
Same old mistakes.
Right. Welcome to Budapest. Buda. Mountains, castle, green hills. Super nice. Pest? Yeah. Pest is good. To someone. And the gem? Budapest hidden location, the Margaret Island. Perfect for chilling, running, cycling, basically everything. Check it out, see if it's really boring or why people actually love it. Great for a date. Pro tip, if you have a wife, don't date here. You'll ruin her date too. Our little island is basically stuck between Pest and Buda. People argue over it, as if there is not enough boredom. I've enjoyed to go around for both sides. You will find thermal spas, restaurants, canoe rentals. So if you're ready to splash some cash, you are in the right place. Then again, let's be honest, that's not very hard in Budapest. Look at this view. This is worth some serious cash. Fishy, 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 fishy. It's a sprite.
Oh, there is one. Look at that, how beautiful. It's a theater of the Margaret Island, and you can see so much good things here, like really Hungarian operettes or historical things. That's the Palatinus beach. That was huge. Do you agree? I really want to see. I want to know how it looks like. In good shape. It's a medieval Dominican convent.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
The 13th century, yeah? I think this is something. Oh boy. Look at these walls. Can you believe it? 800 years, folks. 800 years they built this. Look at those, the remarkable marksmanship from almost 1,000 years ago. Or maybe it's like machine. This is the original one, I'm afraid. This is the rebuilt site. How it looks like, but it's still.
Jack, don't freak out.
This church has stood here since the 13th century.
The architecture is absolutely stunning up close.
So it was truly remarkable, yeah? Look at those walls. It's made more than 800 years ago. More than 800 years, folks. And look at that remarkable craftsmanship still. And we don't know how many battles this was seen. And we are going to Pest now. I show you the last thing today. It was a very, very long day. I'm really tired. So this is Pest now. And still the Duna. See? And the zoo. Yeah. Here's everything. Everything you need. Yeah? This is just reapproached. This is a very, very fast river. Look at that. Can't see every day this. Hey! Dino is unleashed. And that's a beautiful Margaret Island. And that's a beautiful Margaret Bridge. They say.
The ruins are real, just a little enhanced.
And the Hungarian Parliament.
That's the National Swimming Stadium. It hosts European and World Championship, and it's home to the Hungarian water polo team. So if you want to get wet, being on an island usually makes that pretty easy. And on the Margaret Island, it could happen in any corner. Corners though don't really exist on this island, just like in the UK.
And the old village are here. And the Margaret Bridge here. And good people just coming. And dear friends, this is the West Railway Station. Not that. Not even this one.
But this one.
Mr. Eiffel. We already made the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Or Paris, depending where you live. Look at those beautiful. Oh boy. We going in? Yes, yes.
That's enough sound for one day. Time to call it quits. If you enjoyed this, go check out the earlier episodes too. Still salty?
And have an awesome day.